Let's start. I'm in my third year of college. I'm in Gargi College, that is a college of Delhi University. Fun friendships. They do not consider girl friendships because they think boring hogi. I'm the unluckiest person ever when it comes to like good stuff. So why did I even think that, right? Hell. Let me tell you what society you should be joining. You can already अपने parents से बात नहीं कर रही हो, किसी से बात नहीं कर रही हो, खाना नहीं खा रही हो, and normally I have Indian parents, so they don't give a fuck if I'm sad. Just come and eat your food, bitch. What the actual fuck? किस पार्टी की शक्ल ऐसी होती है भाई? Do not get into groups. In your, at least like first year में तो try करो कि तुम ऐसे एक्सपेक्टेशंस ही ना रखो किसी से भी कि ठीक है ये पर्सन मेरा फ्रेंड बन गया फर्स्ट ईयर में तो ही विल बी माय और शी विल बी माय फ्रेंड टिल द एंटायर end of the college life. That's not true. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Listen, you guys already know, I think I've said it like 5,000 times already, that I cannot sleep at night. So I have my food right here. Started from Burger King. I always order for Burger King. I try so hard to be one of those aesthetic girlies, and I'm not trying to be a pick me. They are way better than me, but I just hash brown. This is the crispy chicken burger. I think this is the single. Oh, this is the double patty one. You can also get the single patty one, but then make sure that you get a lot of sauces because double patty one gets kind of dry. I've gotten a lot of ketchups. There's a lot of others. Oh wow, see, they've given a lot of ketchups. This is the chicken crunchy taco. So I have my food here with me. So I have moved around a lot because of my dad's job. So I've lived in different states. I've lived in Jammu, Bengal. Then I've also lived in Rajasthan and then Punjab and recently Mizoram as well. And so iski wajah se I've also met a lot of people. I've made a lot of friends and everything aisa. So after 12th, I moved to Delhi for higher education. That is, I actually went for BCom. I gave CUET. मैंने पढ़ा नहीं था. Obviously मैंने पढ़ा नहीं था because I did not study at all. Uh, I got somewhere decent marks because of not studying, and I landed in Gargi, which is a college of Delhi University. So talking about Gargi, Gargi is a nice college. Any of you who want to like know more about DU colleges, let me know. I can tell you because I have obviously I'm in DU since 3 years and I've visited most of the colleges, so I know stuff. It's a great college. The campus is nice. The faculty is nice. The students are also nice. There is no bullying whatsoever. In fact, you know what? It's a girls college. So पहले when I was like I was not excited about it at all because होता है ना सबको चाहिए होता है कि like अपने कॉलेज लाइफ में तो यू वांट एकदम दैट करण जौहर मूवी फीलिंग आई डोंट एक्चुअली लाइक करण जौहर's movie. I mean समर नाइट you want that, right? Like, oh yeah, you know, there's like a lot of datings and everything involved. There's fun friendships, and I don't know why when people consider fun friendships they do not consider girl friendships because they think boring होगा जो भी है. So well, I actually was one of them and I was like, oh girl, मतलब girls college में नहीं जाना. I was really sad. So when I got my result that day, that see, I'm yapping so much I'm forgetting about my food. But anyways, listen. So when I got the result, I remember CUT का result आया था and वो normalization से पहले का था. मैं ऑलरेडी सैड हूँ. मैं ऑलरेडी अपने पेरेंट्स से बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, किसी से बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, खाना नहीं खा रही हूँ. एंड नॉर्मली यू नो आई हैव इंडियन पेरेंट्स, सो दे डोंट गिव अ फक इफ आई एम सैड. जस्ट कम एंड ईट योर फूड, बिच. But that time I was so sad that even my parents did not say anything. They let me go like one day without eating food. One day, next day, so they were like, please just eat. And so I was not eating. I was isolated completely. I was really sad. And but I was like, you know what, it's fine. Normalization होगा. And बहुत लोग के marks बढ़ते भी हैं normalization में, and I thought कि मेरे भी बढ़ जाएंगे, but why did I even think that? I am the unluckiest person ever when it comes to like good stuff, so why did I even think that, right? And so इतना हुआ. फिर उसके बाद I was like, तो normalization में मेरे marks कम हुए. Yeah, they actually decreased. A lot of people के marks बढ़ गए थे. I think किसी किसी के तो मेरी एक friend थी, she had 670. Her marks increased by 100. I think I had a mutual friend and it got to like 770. What did I say? 766, 670, whatever, something. उसके 100 marks increase हो गए थे. Of course, she landed DU. I think Delhi. I think Hindu. She went to Hindu. I don't know. And I got Gargi. So I was sad, but I was like, whatever, it's fine. At least whatever works. So मुझे first round allocation में मिल गया था, right? And I was like, you know what? I will not accept it. So I went for upgrade, जो भी option होता है. तो फिर उसके बाद मैं सेकेंड अपग्रेड तक मैं आई भी नहीं थी दिल्ली बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक नहीं अपग्रेड हो जाएगा तो अभी नहीं जाता. मैं लास्ट लास्ट में आई. सेकेंड अपग्रेड में ऑल्सो मेरा अपग्रेड नहीं हुआ. आई स्टिल हैड गार्गी. Then I again went for upgrade, obviously third 3 बार you can upgrade, उसके बाद I think sport rounds होते हैं वो I have no idea. And बस तो फिर उसके बाद I was just like क्या करे, so I came to Delhi, I looked for a PG, my parents came with me, तो उन्होंने मेरे को PG ढूंढा, अच्छा एक PG दिलाया, उसका तो अलग ही स्टोरी है guys, trust me, my PG was one hell of a nightmare, and even the kids in it, but anyways, so उसके बाद I got my PG, and then third, I remember the day I took the PG, I forgot about the allocation that I have selected upgrade, and then I am in the auto. I remember my auto was crossing India Gate, and I'm like, but मेरा upgrade हो गया तो क्या करूँगी, मैंने तो PG ले लिया. I tell my dad कि भाई पापा मैंने तो PG तो ले लिया, but what if upgrade हो जाए? And I was really happy, but I was stressed. And then my dad's like, oh होगा तो फिर दूसरा ले लेंगे or something like that. And guess what? Upgrade नहीं हुआ मेरा. I still had Gargi after third allocation, and I'm like, you know what? It's fine. So guys, I'm gonna start with the hash brown because I love hash brown. I also have to eat. A girl got to eat. If I don't eat, then how will I even provide for such good stories for you guys? So guys, what happened now is that I got my college. I have gotten my PG and मुझे start करना है college. So let me tell you bit part by part. Okay, so let me tell you if you're entering college, आपको first year में क्या करना चाहिए, मैंने क्या किया, second year में क्या करना चाहिए, and third year में क्या करना चाहिए, because I'm in my third year and what am I doing wrong, what I should have done right and everything. So first year, I enter college. I make friends on the first day. I actually a lot of people actually already had friends. So what happened was I think different group मेरे पाल so different groups बन रहे थे उनके colleges के. So I think a lot of people actually had friends because of the Instagram groups. हम्म, क्या हो गया? But ये still इतना अच्छा taste कर रहा है. I'm kidding. So a lot of people already had friends because of the Instagram groups, but I also had 2 3 friends because I think WhatsApp groups पहले ही बन जाते हैं official वाला. Then एक unofficial भी बनता है, but वो CRs बनाते हैं class representatives. I was the CR for 2 years. Flex that. मतलब I was not the best CR though. Like I did fuck up in the second year. I know everybody hates me for that, but it's okay. So also there's this weird thing in DU colleges. I do not like it. In fact, मेरे college में तो इतने strict है because it's a girl college. They do not let your parents enter. So I am so happy. So my parents are in Delhi. उनको कल जाना है. I'm so happy that okay fine they'll go to my college. They'll see my college. It'll just be such a nice experience because DU की hype रहती है, that red building, and I'm like okay cool. My parents go there. They're like, oh, your parents cannot enter. Hi, what the hell? Why not? My parents can't enter. What do you mean by that? And then they're like, no, they cannot enter. And your mom can go maybe, but like since it's a girls' college, dad cannot go. But chalo yaar, makes sense. But as if you don't have male staff, you do have male staff. So, but anyways, it's okay. I go alone and I just like see the college around thoda. Obviously, I had zero friends उस वक्त तक, तो मुझे कुछ नहीं पता. मैं तो एक दो pictures लेके आ गई. And anyway, I'm thoda shy. I'm trying to be more and more extroverted these days, but I'm still a shy person. So I just go, I just take pictures, एक तो and मैं आ गई. And I mean college के. And उसके बाद फिर we go and then my parents have to leave. I cry so much and they leave and then I start the college next day. I go to college. I didn't know one through two girls. And then of course they were sweet and we met and like we become friends instantly because everybody's new. It's the first, second day. And then उसके बाद पूरा ऐसा group बन गया. सबके groups बहुत जल्दी बन जाते हैं. That is one thing, man. Like also one tip for you. Listen to me. Do not get into groups. In your, at least like फर्स्ट ईयर में तो ट्राई करो कि तुम ऐसे एक्सपेक्टेशंस ही ना रखो किसी से भी कि ठीक है ये पर्सन मेरा फ्रेंड बन गया फर्स्ट ईयर में तो ही विल बी माई और शी विल बी माई फ्रेंड टिल द एंटायर end of the college life. That's not true. In fact, you should be friends, of course. Do not expect a lot from people. This you should not expect ever in your life only, but do not expect a lot of things. And do not do this ki agar she's my friend so I'm just gonna like give her everything and I'm not gonna interact with other people. Don't do that. Do not be a part of a group too easily and just be like okay fine this is my group, I'm not gonna interact. That is something I did. Not that I had a bad group, it was a good group, we had good friendship, of course I still appreciate everything. But like I did not interact with other people and because of that बाद में मेरे को सुनने को मिला कि I used to think you're rude and this and that. So try to be more approachable and it's completely fine to approach people. आगे say I did not do that, you should do that. Go to people, talk to them, try to like make a lot of friends, make a lot of connections. If you're in DU and have some friends, if you do not make connections and you're in DU, then you just wasted your DU का entire life. Trust me, making connections is one of the most important thing ever. So ये हुआ first day. वी बिकम फ्रेंड्स एंड एवरीथिंग. सो फर्स्ट टाइम में तो मैं घूम ही रही हूँ, लाइक लिटरली मैं अपने पीजी वाले दोस्तों के साथ घूम रही हूँ. आई दे वर सो मच ड्रामा, बट एनीवेज सो आई एम लाइक मैं उनके साथ भी घूम रही हूँ, मैं कॉलेज वाले दोस्तों के साथ भी घूम ही रही हूँ, एवरीवेयर वे गोइंग. And I even miss my freshers because we were like, oh, we don't wanna go. So that's also one thing. Like, do not depend. So that is one thing. So my group was not going for freshers. So I was like, you know what, I'll also not go. Don't do that. Like, actually, just go for stuff that is happening in college. Try to interact with different people. College is not school life. You don't have to just like be friends with your class ke log. You can be friends with like everybody from different societies, from different years, even because why not, right? फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने ट्राई टू बी इन अ लॉट ऑफ सोसाइटीज. एक तो थोड़ा बी ऐसे. सो हुआ क्या था ना कि आई वाज सी आर्स का वो हो रहा था कि कौन किसको किसको सी आर बनना है. एंड आई वॉज अ डिफरेंट पर्सन इन माई फर्स्ट ईयर. Okay, you cannot really tell me that this Tithi and that Tithi are the same people. So I was like, I want to be involved in everything. I don't want to say no to any opportunities. अगर वो नहीं हो रहा है तो कोई बात नहीं, मैं sad नहीं होंगी, but मैं no नहीं बोलूँगी. So I was like, I also raised my hand just for the sake of it. I had no interest in the CR का particular position, but my friend was going for it and she was like, you also go. So I went for it. And so they had this resume selection. तो ऐसे तो कुछ नहीं था. Basically सबके interviews ले लिए थे जितने लोगों ने भी apply किया था. And I think 6 7 8 लोगों ने किया था. And then we did give the interview and me and my friend, so my friend from the same group only, we both got selected and we were so happy. We were like, oh my god, we did something, on the first day of college we कुछ उखाड़ लिया हमने. So it's like that, but it's not that special. They're just teachers pet. And फिर ऐसा हुआ तो try to be more engaged. So for example, try to know कि कौन सी societies की कब हो रही है, और registrations कब हो रहे हैं, वो लोग कब ले रहे हैं बच्चों को. Try to like talk to your seniors. I know it's weird because like ऐसा फील होता है कि मैं तो जानती भी नहीं किसी को, टेक्स्ट कैसे कर दूँ. लिंक्डइन पे जाओ, लिंक्डइन पे ढूंढो, ऐसे नंबर मांग लो किसी से. जस्ट अप्रोच पीपल. ट्रस्ट मी, इट्स द बेस्ट थिंग एवर. Nobody, like what will happen, trust me, you go to someone and you're like, oh hi, you're really pretty, like it's a girls college, just use that, just be like, we're really pretty, like I think this about you. What do you think they'll say? No, fuck you. Though they will not say that, they will obviously be like, cool, okay, cool, I don't want to help you or I want to help you. It's straight up. Ask them for advices, tips, tricks, everything. Just know stuff. Okay, so be, and let me recommend, if you're looking for Gargi or even other due colleges, because I have friends in every college, honestly. So let me tell you what society you should be joining. Let's say I am doing BCom, so commerce, right? So but अंदर societies का भी different होगा, but core से relate करा करो. So for एक तो social well-being society होनी ही चाहिए. It is good for your CV as well. Trust me, it works. So you can join Enactus. हर college में होती है. Enactus join कर सकते हो. CDF is there, that is Connecting Dreams Foundation. I was part of it. You can join that. And then you should join, just for me, I wanted to join a finance society, but Gargi doesn't have a finance society, which I know sucks. But if the college you're joining has a finance society, go for it. So you can join, I think Venki mein there's Blue Chip, you can join that. Then I think different colleges में भी होती है. I think SRCC में भी है finance society. You should join a finance society. And other than that, so and you should also join the placement cell. Placement cell, I was a part of placement cell, but placement cell is थोड़ा मतलब इट इज लाइक ऐसा कुछ ग्रोथ नहीं होता है तुम्हारा, ठीक है. मतलब या यू नो लॉट ऑफ स्टफ बिकॉज यू आर पार्ट ऑफ द प्लेसमेंट सेल, कौन सी कंपनी आ रही है, कहाँ कंपनी आ रही है, जो मैंने सोचा था. बट इतना कुछ ग्रोथ नहीं होता है बिकॉज यू डोंट रियली लर्न एनीथिंग. यू जस्ट कनेक्ट विद एचआर, यू हेल्प देम. एंड ऐसा भी नहीं होता है कि आप डिलॉयट के एचआर से कनेक्ट कर रहे हो तो आपको कुछ बेनिफिट मिल रहा है, ऐसा नहीं होता है. बट स्टिल यू कैन जॉइन placement cell as well. It does help and gives you kind of that feeling that yeah, कुछ तो खड़ा है. So first time even try joining these societies. Even if you don't end up joining them, it's all right because competition होता है. Because I think first second years के भी होते हैं बच्चे. Listen, just do that. Like I also had a lot of fun in my first year. फर्स्ट ईयर में फन करो, मतलब ट्राई टू जॉइन द सोसाइटीज इफ यू कैन, बिकॉज फायदा होता है. बिकॉज अगर आप फर्स्ट ईयर से पार्ट हो ना सोसाइटी के, देन मोर और लेस आप एंड में जाके कोर मिलती है आपको. कोर इज बेसिकली द टॉप मोस्ट पोजिशन, सो यू गेट दैट. बट सेकेंड ईयर से भी कभी कभी नहीं मिलता है. आई मीन प्लेसमेंट सब में नहीं मिलता और आई थिंक कुछ सोसाइटीज में नहीं मिलता है. सो ट्राई टू जॉइन दो सोसाइटीज. गो टू द फेस्ट दैट हैपेंस. आई थिंक तो गार्गी में रेवरी होता है. वेंकी में क्या होता है? वेरी पॉपुलर. वेंकी का वेरी पॉपुलर फॉर गॉड. एस आर सी सी में होता है, हिंदी में होता है, सारे कॉलेजेस में होता है. एंड यू हैव एक्सेस टू ऑल ऑफ देम, ट्रस्ट मी. So go to different like college के fest as well. Just have fun in first year because trust me, second year में आपको fun नहीं करना चाहिए, आपको पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए. तो सेकंड ईयर में आई एक्चुअली वेस्टेड माई फर्स्ट ईयर. आई रोम्ड अराउंड, मैंने पूरी दिल्ली घूम ली थी मैंने एक्चुअली. अब आई डोंट हैव अ सिंगल प्लेस वेयर आई कुड गो बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली मैंने हर जगह ही घूम लिया है. सो डू दीज थिंग्स इन द फर्स्ट ईयर. तो सेकंड ईयर में गाइस ट्राई टू बी अ लिटिल सीरियस. ओके, अब तुमने घूम लिया इतना ज़्यादा और मैंने तो मतलब सेकंड ईयर को भी थोड़ा लाइटली लिया. सेकंड ईयर में आई डिड एंड अप जॉइन प्लेसमेंट सेल, बट एज आई सेड फर्स्ट ईयर में ज्वाइन करना चाहिए, बेटर होता है. So I did join the society. First time also I was part of societies and I was also the CR. So this year also, second year also I was a CR and I was part of placement cell. But then the work was so hectic. So I was also preparing for CAT. So I'm preparing for CAT. I also have placement cell. But I was also CR. So उसकी वजह से ना मेरा थोड़ा CR का भी काम I did not do well, which I know sucks. So but and also I did not could not. I was I had this mentality that oh मुझे तो CAT देनी है and so मैं क्यों ही करूँ कुछ और other than placement cell, which is a very wrong mentality. आपको case comps में जाना चाहिए. So whatever background you have, just go for case competitions because due to case competitions, even जो inter college whatever case comps होते हैं, those are also very very nice and advantageous. So you should also go for them. So IIT Delhi, a lot of SRCC, Hindu, Stephens, इन सब के केस कॉम्प्स में जाने चाहिए आपको. एनी इवन जो कॉलेज में ही हो रहा है उनमें भी प्लीज पार्टिसिपेट बिकॉज दे डू हेल्प. दे case comps are one of the best things you can have on your CVs other than obviously work experience and internship experiences and everything. Also, I have done some experience internships. I actually did an internship in my first year only. That was a marketing internship, and also I also did one more that was an HR internship. And then second year में also मैंने एक HR internship की थी. I would also give you one tip. So, for example, I was doing a lot of HR internship and marketing. So, marketing is something I'm interested in. That is something I see my future in. But is HR something I'm genuinely interested in? Like, it's very easy. HR is very easy. But that's not something I'm genuinely interested in or want to do it for the rest of my life, right? So, try to, जिस चीज़ आपको इंटरेस्ट है या फिर आपको अपना जिसमें फ्यूचर बनाना है उनमें इंटर्नशिप करने का ट्राई करो. बिकॉज होता क्या है बाद में when you're sitting for jobs or something you can say कि I've already worked in this field so it's already very easy for me. So they will also consider you more than other participants who maybe have no knowledge about the same. Cool. So that is that. Second year mein this happened. Also second year mein also I feel like you should join societies, but you should focus more on internships and case comps. Trust me, they are far 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 better. एक सोसाइटी रख लो, एक और केस कॉम्प्स करते रहो और वो कर लो. क्या बोला था मैंने? इंटर्नशिप्स बहुत सारे करो. And other than that, thoda to turn it down a bit. Just for example, I was kind of like in my mood to have fun in second year also. Tone it down a bit. Okay, dessert looks. Obviously, they just give mayo. They just give mayo and onion. I'm telling you, connections are the most important things, and I keep repeating them because trust me, I'm a senior. If you're going for due, I've learned it. I learned from it. Connections help you throughout, not even just college life or out, but even with your job and career and later in life that also helps. So now let me rant about my third year. So I'm in my third year and so हमारे कॉलेज में फर्स्ट में तो दो में एक्सपीरियंस कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ. थर्ड ईयर में ऑल्सो आई हैव नॉट बिन गोइंग टू कॉलेज इतना. आई एम स्टिल अ पार्ट ऑफ अ कंसल्टिंग सोसाइटी विच ये consulting society. I'm not doing a lot of work there, but I really want to be productive. And so you know what? I was also thinking of making this journal videos maybe sort of, and where I'm just keeping you guys updated about my day to day life. So आज तक मैंने बाइट ली थी लास्ट, उसी वक्त मेरा कैमरा बंद हुआ था. But what the fuck is this burger? Like just look at this burger. What the fuck is this patty? No, listen, this the bread and the patty. I want to take the patty. What the actual fuck? किस पैटी की शक्ल ऐसी होती है भाई? ये क्या पैटी है? मैंने यू कैन सी आई हैव नॉट बिट इट. मैंने यहाँ पे बाइट किया था. इससे तो कुछ भी नहीं है. और ये क्या चिकन है? गाइस, व्हाट द हेल? I don't want to eat this. I'm not gonna eat this. Obviously, no, I'm not gonna eat this. But Burger King, मैं अभी इनकी तारीफ कर रही थी बहन चो. ऐसा ही होता है. But just look. Why is it empty from inside? How is this a chicken patty if it's empty from inside? And if this is the condition, but do you realize ये कितना पुराना होगा? Should I even taste it? I should not, right? Taste. I'm not gonna have it. Oh, I still have the taco, and I know the taco will be good. Though this is also a chicken patty. I'm scared. Okay, I'm part of this consulting society. I'm not really active in the society, which is a bad thing. Please be active in the society as a part of. And then other than that, I am also preparing for CAT, obviously. Then I'm not preparing for CAT as of now. I have taken a break, and at the same time, so for example, what happened today, मैं कल पूरी रात नहीं सोई, मैं सो पाई ही नहीं हूँ कल पूरी रात. एंड देन मैं सुबह 8 बजे सोई, मेरी क्लास थी 11:30 बजे. आई स्किप दोज क्लास, मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग क्लास थी, आई स्किप दोज एंड आई स्लेप्ट टिल 10:30 इन द नाइट. ओके, अभी इट्स लाइक समथिंग आई डोंट नो 3 कुछ 2-3 बज रहे होंगे समथिंग, आई कांट सी द टाइम. एंड मैं अभी उठी हूँ, मतलब उठ गई थी 10:30 तक. उसके बाद मैं फ़ोन पे हूँ. सो आई नो आई एम बीइंग वेरी लेथार्जिक एंड स्टफ, बट you know what, that's it. And थोड़े में you should like don't be a part of any societies, honestly speaking. If your core, होता ही नहीं है प्रेशर, कोर में थोड़े में प्रेशर होता ही नहीं है. Other than that, prepare for your exams or whatever. And I think I'm gonna end the video here. Let me just take a bite of my taco. I just love taco. Mm. Love taco. So I'm gonna post videos every Wednesday and Sunday, I've decided. And as well as I'm also on Wednesdays, I'm gonna do this yap session with me. I already told you guys about it, where I'm gonna like, just talk about my life and like what's happening, or maybe some story times, friendships, dating life, or maybe college life, or story times and etc. etc. So I'm gonna post all that and just yap. I'm also gonna eat something while yapping because I love eating. Like, I think the only good thing I have by creating YouTube is that my parents and everybody who knows me will be like, oh yeah, she does eat. It's just that she doesn't gain any weight. But yeah, that's it. And once I reach like 500 subs, I am going to color my hair. So like, I don't think I've ever colored my hair professionally. Like I did do that paradise wala brown wala something once, but it did not turn out good. And plus, वो दिख भी नहीं रहा था, तो black hair only I had. But you know what? Once I get 500 subs, I'm gonna go all out. I'm gonna color my hair. And I think also do like a glow up thingy after 500. That's just fine. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna enjoy my food. And if you guys want any advices or tips, just let me know. I'm always there for you guys. But that's it. I'm gonna complain to Burger King, and if Burger King is seeing this, I think you owe me like a free subscription for the rest of my life, because what is that? Guys, I love you guys so much. Mwah.